Hi guys, my name is Chris Gamer underscore 123. Today I'm gonna be checking out this mod of Subway Surfers. I know Subway Surfers already updated, but it's okay. I just wanted to check it out and see what it is. Basically, I got this mod with an app called Tutu app or Tutu helper. I don't know how it's called, but see a video how to download it. You could get sorry about that. You can get apps that you have to pay for, but like they're free. Games that are modded and stuff. It's cool. So let's play. Let me see how many characters we have. Oh crap, it's freaking. Oh, we have. Sorry. We have every single character. Oh, looks cool. Which character should I get? Oh. I'll go for this guy. He looks awesome. He looks like an assassin. Sorry, it's taking too long to load. Whoa, that's cool. No, this one looks cool. That's cool. Oh my god, it's lagging so hard. Yo, which one should I get? I don't know, I'm just gonna pick one. Oh my god, there's so many skateboards. Let's get one that has speed. I might get the bird, I don't know. I'll get the bird then. The speedy bird. Woohoo, we have a lot of stuff here. Oh well. Do we have any daily challenges? Palm. Okay, let's go. No, it's just passing everything. That's funny. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so fucking... It's fucking lagging a lot. How did I jump so fucking high? I don't know. I don't know how. I have double points up. Sorry, it's lagging a lot. Look at this. The hell? What the hell? Wait, I can fly? What the fuck? Okay. Since I can fly, I'm just gonna go over 9,000. I don't think that's impossible. But let's do it. Yo, this is cool. I will do a tutorial on how to download this awesome mod. Really cool mod. I'm gonna try going really far, like really far. My character looks so awesome. Do we have any missions? Collect 500 coins. Okay. Oh my god, it jumped so freaking high. Oh my god. Two times? How the hell did I even get 2,000? I don't know. It's a mod, you know. Oh my god, I love this. Basically, I think you still have to buy coins. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out and see. Hey, money. Hey, two of them. Look, my character just running. Hey, yeah. I knew you'd do that. Let me just upgrade everything. I don't curse. So if a parent is watching you while you're looking at this, you should not even see this. When I'm mad, I curse a lot, but I'm not really mad. I'm just freaking calm. Let's mess around with this. Let's buy a bunch of shit. Lord. Bad. I'm just keep I'm keeping on. I keep on pressing this. Oh my god. Sorry if like I say words and they come out really bad. It's that I'm freaking really tired. What am I tired of? Is today I went exercising all day. It's just that I'm really fat, so. Oh no! Oh no. Oh, whatever. I hope you enjoyed this piece of crap video. So yeah, tutorial later on. At least give me 2 likes. At least, then I'll do a tutorial. So yeah. Wait, I don't know if I should like. I think I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, subscribe. What the hell is wrong with me?